In this video, I will be creating some icons and metaphors that we use in our everyday presentations or while we are sharing our ideas. So the very first one that is used the most while we are depicting an idea is the bulb. So let's try to create the bulb first. Very simple. I will just create an inverted C. This we can create as a very thick line. Just below it, we will just create some thin lines like this. Inside, I will create a shape like this, which is a filament of the bulb. To make the bulb glow, it's very simple. We create this line. So we have a bulb that glows, which can be used as an idea. Isn't it simple? Let's take up the next idea when we want to define a top of the world or summit. Again, a very simple one, more like a wave or an amplitude or a bell jar without the ends. This represents a hilltop. We want to keep some eyes at the top. We can do it like this. Simple, isn't it? And we want to show that we have achieved or we have reached the peak. So we put our flag over there. Isn't this fantastic and very easy at the same time? So I name it Summit. If we want, we can actually color the flag. Isn't it easy? The next one that you all require when you show a direction, which is called the compass, is very easy. I create a cross like this. Inside I create another cross. I add up and your compass is ready. You can create like this, north south and east west. To show that this compass can move, you can also put the arrows. You can also denote the north with a color. Isn't this easy? So this is your compass. Sometimes for some of our diagrams or presentation, we need the road direction. How we create it? It's very simple. As I have shown a rectangle and a triangle, I will take up that thing and I create a shape like this. We can do this, right? It's very easy. To give it a 3D shape, we can give some depth to it. This needs a stand. I create a stand. Maybe it is standing on a grass and we can write it this way. Isn't it easy? So this is direction. The next is, if you want to show that a person is climbing up the ladder, or say corporate ladder, how do we do that? Very simple. We create these zigzag things till the top. We can just put an arrow at the top showing that that person is climbing higher up the ladder, and definitely our bell jar character which we have done earlier. So this person is climbing the stairs. Let's now create another useful thing, which is the puzzle shape. It's very easy. I create a rectangle over here, an open-ended, and again a rectangle over here, open-ended. I will put C over here and C over here. Isn't it fantastic? 2 puzzle pieces created so fast. You can definitely give these 2 puzzle shapes some colors. We are done. Isn't it easy? Let's see. Let us create an open book. How do we do that? Very simple. Again, our rectangle shape, 2 rectangular shapes. We write something, we scribble something, just to show that there is something written on the book. We create some straight lines over here and meet it at the point. Your book is done. We can always color this book with some colors. So this is your open book. Our next one, we will do a coffee break. What do we require? We require some coffee and a cup, right? So let's see how we create a coffee mug. We create an oval or an ellipse. We create a U, a C. We require a plate. Right? And we definitely require some coffee. Don't fill the coffee to the brim. So you have the coffee, you want to make it hot, you can do that. And if you want to just write break, you can do that over here. So that's a coffee cup for you. You can actually color the plate or the cup if you really want to. It's totally up to you. Let's now try how to create a lock and a key. It's very simple. We create a rectangle as usual. We create the lock or the keyhole. Whether we require the lock to be closed or open, we can have it like this or like this. Isn't it easy? Open, closed, locks. You can definitely color this if you require. Next comes is a wire and a plug and socket. Let's see how do we do it. Simple. We have a line like this, add up a U. This is a plug, and obviously a socket requires 2 points and the wire. So this gives you wire, plug and socket. If you see, in most of our diagrams we are using very simple shapes. Let us now check how we can create a simple magnet. You have a big U and a small u. Add up both the ends. Your magnet is ready. So if you see, we have drawn a lot of shapes and we have created very simple icons that we can use in our PowerPoint presentations, in our websites, or any brochure presentation